In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze broker price on Tradingview. If you're a trader or investor, having the right tools to analyze market data is essential to making informed decisions. Tradingview is one of the most popular platforms for charting and market analysis, offering a wide range of features to help you stay on top of the markets. But to get the most out of it, you need to make sure the data you're analyzing matches the information from your broker. That's exactly what I'll guide you through step by step today. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring its powerful tools. Tradingview is free to use for basic features, but you can also unlock advanced capabilities with a subscription if you need them. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open Tradingview on your device. You can access it through your browser or the app, depending on your preference. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to the platform. It's designed to be intuitive, but there are plenty of features, so it's worth taking a quick look around. Next, locate and click the plus button. This button is usually found near the top of the screen and is your gateway to exploring new symbols and markets. Clicking this will open up a search bar where you can look up specific instruments or markets. The reason we start here is that it allows us to customize our analysis by selecting the exact data we need. In the search bar that appears, type NASDAQ 100. Now, this will bring up a list of search results related to the NASDAQ 100. These results might include various instruments such as the NASDAQ 100 index, ETFs like QQQ, or futures contracts. Keep in mind that these instruments can vary depending on your broker and your region, so it's important to have a clear idea of what you're looking for. Once you've reviewed the search results, go ahead and add all the relevant symbols to your watch list. You can do this by clicking the Add to Watch List button for each symbol that seems relevant. Why is this important? A broader watch list gives you a more comprehensive view of price variations across different instruments that track the NASDAQ 100. This ensures you're not missing out on any key data points. Now that your watch list is set up, it's time to identify the specific NASDAQ 100 symbol or listing used by your broker. This step is critical because brokers often use their own symbol codes, and you need to ensure that the data you're analyzing corresponds to your broker's data. Take a moment to cross-reference the symbol code your broker uses with the symbols available in Tradingview. This will help you avoid any confusion, as some symbols might look identical at first glance, but actually represent different data sources. Next, locate the current or most recent closing price of the NASDAQ 100 as listed by your broker. This is a key piece of information because it reflects the most accurate trading value for your specific platform. Once you have this price, compare it to the prices of all the NASDAQ 100 related symbols you've added to your Tradingview watch list. Small differences in price are normal and can occur due to factors like time zones, trading hours, or the frequency at which data is refreshed, so don't panic if you notice minor discrepancies. Your goal here is to identify the symbol in Tradingview that tracks closest to your broker's price. This ensures that the data you're analyzing aligns as closely as possible with the data your broker is using. Once you've found the best match, you can use that symbol for deeper analysis. This could include drawing trend lines, reviewing historical data, or developing your trading strategy based on this reliable source. And here's an important tip. Double-check your symbols and prices periodically to ensure accuracy. Market conditions and data sources can change, so it's always a good idea to stay vigilant. If you're ever unsure, jot down the symbol codes you're using or take a quick screenshot for future reference. This way, you'll have a record to fall back on if needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Tradingview analysis is aligned with your broker's data, giving you the confidence to make informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.